Hi, I'm Marilyn Cruz.
Hi, and I am Christine May Quizon. Nature's biodiversity, an intricate web of life that supports every breath we take and every bite we eat. But did you know that biodiversity also plays a key role in fighting climate change?
Just like these trees, for example, these unique ecosystems are up to 4 times more carbon per hectare than rainforests, acting as powerful carbon sinks. Their destruction contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, amplifying climate change. From grassland to coral reefs, each ecosystem plays a part in regulating the planet's temperature, protecting against extreme weather and providing clean water. Biodiversity is nature's shield against climate instability.
Healthy ecosystem with rich biodiversity absorbs more carbon and adapt better to changing climates. But as species disappear, ecosystem weaken, reducing their ability to protect the planet.
Deforestation, pollution, and habitat loss threaten this balance. When ecosystem collapse, we lose not just species but also our natural allies and combating climate change.
The solution? Conservation and restoration. By protecting natural habitat and restoring degraded ones, we strengthen biodiversity and nature's resilience. Biodiversity is more than beauty, it's a lifeline. Together, we can protect it and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's act now, because protecting biodiversity isn't just about saving nature, it's about saving ourselves.